Welcome back to How to DIY and Save a Dime. Today I'm going to be sharing with you two things that me and my family are very excited about. One is our fire pit, and the other is the protection mat that is going to be placed up under the fire pit to put it on the deck. So I'm going to unbox this and show you guys what it looks like. I'm very excited about it. I also had to order something else that won't be here for a couple days, but you'll see this all in the video. You know, the power of editing, it'll look like it's all happening at the same time. So I'm gonna unbox this and show you guys what it looks like, and also show you guys how we light it up and get it started. You guys will just have a little fun with us and just see just how we enjoy this fire pit. Not sure how I'm gonna edit this and put this together, but no matter how it's edited, I'm pretty sure you guys should enjoy it, or also it will be helpful for you guys that are new to having fire pits and how to use them. So let's get started. First, I'm going to get started with unboxing the lighter one, which I think is the one that has the protection mat and everything in it. Would you guys believe it is literally like 5:50 in the morning? But I like to do stuff like this when everyone is sleeping so I can get it done and it's quiet in the video. So, this is the 36-inch protection mat. Guys, I have no clue what this is. If you know what this is, let me know. It came with the heat protected mat to go under the fire pit, and it also came with a bag, which you've seen previously. And this is by the brand Folly or Fally, however you say it. So if you know what this is, please let me know. So let's get the fire pit open and see how it fits on here. Alright guys, so these are all the parts. I think that they are sisters to IKEA, because apparently you gotta put everything together. Only concern I had is that this little piece is bent. I don't know exactly what that piece is for, but hopefully it's not nothing major. But I did take a picture so I can share it with Amazon. So yeah, let's get this thing put together, because it does have instructions. Those are the 4 legs, and then that right there is actually a cover to protect it from the elements outside, which I thought was great, because a lot of things like this tend to rust and get all messed up when it rains and snows and all that stuff. So, and you know, I feel like in the winter, I guess you could bring it in, but some people still like to sit around the fire pit during the times when it's not like really hot outside. And I think that's what makes it an awesome little, you know, gathering time for family, especially when it's time where you really can't do too much outside, but you can sit around the fire pit. So enough of the talking, let's get into getting this together. So just in case I forget, I had to come back. This is a grill slash fire pit, and it is almost 22 inches wide, which is a nice size, and it's lower. Fire pits are much lower than actual grills, and you can kind of put them next to your chair, you know what I mean, and cook and still enjoy it versus getting up and having to stand at a higher grill. So that's why I got the one that converts to a fire pit that converts into a grill where I can cook on it, or we can enjoy it and do like roasted marshmallows and just maybe do some turkey kibasi or something like that on it for a quick meal or something like that. So yeah, so this is a grill slash fire pit. Here go the instructions, showing you everything you should have and then how to start assembling it. Alright, so let's talk about the reason for me getting this grill. As you see, the bottom of it has storage, and we could put the wood under there and we don't have to worry about putting the wood somewhere else. It has this actual space for its own wood. So let me show you what it looks like with the cover and then put it on top of the protector. Wait a minute. So this is also something that comes with it, and this is just to move stuff around in the fire pit, like the wood and stuff like that, and it has an extended handle so that way you don't burn yourself. And then it came with 2 grill hooks, and that is something you use to when the grill is hot, you take each side and you kind of slide it in the grill and you hold them up like this to pull the grill up off of the fire pit if you need to put more fire in, or if you need to adjust, you can use these grill holders to do that. So that's what these are. And this is the like wood pusher, coal pusher, whatever you decide to use it for. Another feature I love is the tip of it. It has a nice ring where you can like lift it up, and I think that's how you would either, you can use this to lift it up through that little circle. See that circle right there? Or I guess you can use these as well to lift it up and get it on here to pull it up if it's hot, like this. Surprisingly, this is made very well. This is made very well, and it has the straps that you can adjust or tighten to make sure like the wind doesn't blow it off. So let's get that on. All right, pretty cool. So guys, let me put it on top of the thing, and then this will be the end of the video. I'll just do a separate video on how to light the fire pit. I'm gonna take the cover off so you can see how it looks on the protected mat without the cover on it. There you go. So guys, I hope this was very helpful to you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Didn't want to make it too long, so I'll do a separate video on how to light a fire pit and make s'mores. And so yeah, those will be two separate videos. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you're looking for the link for this fire pit, please remember to remind me, because I sometimes forget when it's time to edit and put this video out. If you are new to the channel, make sure you join the family by subscribing and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I load a new video. And I will see you guys later, Gators.